Looking for a wireless keyboard that combines ease of use with reliable performance? The Loigys wireless keyboard offers a plug-and-play 2.4 GHz connection that works up to 33 feet without lag. No software downloads are needed, just plug the USB receiver, conveniently stored in the battery compartment, and you're ready to type. What sets this keyboard apart is its smart power-saving feature. After 30 minutes of inactivity, it automatically enters sleep mode to conserve battery life. Simply press any key to wake it up. It runs on a single AA battery, which isn't included, but this efficient design means you won't be changing batteries constantly. Comfort is a priority with the Loigys keyboard. It features an ergonomic palm rest and a folding holder that keeps the keyboard at the perfect angle. This helps prevent wrist strain during long typing sessions. Plus, anti-slide pads keep it firmly in place even when you're typing fast or working intensely. The keyboard sports a full-size layout with 104 keys, including a number pad for easy data entry. It also includes indicators for number lock, caps lock, and power, so you always know your keyboard status at a glance. An adjustable stand on the bottom lets you customize your typing angle for added comfort. Compatibility won't be an issue. This keyboard works seamlessly with Windows XP through Windows 10, Mac, Chromebook, and most other operating systems. Whether you're on a desktop, laptop, or PC, it fits right in. Plus, Loigys offers 12 months of free after-sales service if you ever need assistance. If you spend hours typing or want a keyboard that's both comfortable and dependable, this model deserves a closer look. Its thoughtful design and reliable wireless connection make everyday tasks smoother and more enjoyable. Ready to upgrade your workspace? The Loigys wireless keyboard delivers what you need without fuss. It's easy to set up, comfortable to use, and built to last. Try it when you're ready to experience typing without limits.